In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add time zone to your calendar in Outlook. If you work with colleagues, clients, or events across different regions, adding a second time zone to your Outlook calendar makes scheduling far easier and helps prevent time-related mix-ups. Let's walk through it together, step by step, in the Outlook web experience. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type Outlook, then click the official Outlook website in the results. Sign in to your account if prompted. Once you're in, switch from Mail to Calendar by selecting the calendar icon along the left side of the screen. This ensures you're working in the right place for the settings we're about to use. With your calendar open, look toward the top of the page and select View. This opens options that control how your calendar looks and behaves. From there, choose Calendar Settings. You'll be taken to a panel where you can customize the calendar experience, including time zone options. Find the Time Zone section and select Add Time Zone. This is where you'll choose the additional region you want to display alongside your primary time. In the search field, type the name of a city in the time zone you need. Picking a major city works best because Outlook maps those cities to the correct regional time and handles daylight saving automatically. For example, you might use New York for Eastern Time, London for UK time, or Tokyo for Japan Standard Time. After selecting the city, add a label so the extra time zone is easy to identify at a glance. Keep it short and meaningful, such as client, team, or the region name. This label will appear next to the timescale in your calendar, helping you quickly see what you're looking at. When you're satisfied with your choice and label, click Save. Your calendar will refresh, and you should now see an additional timescale alongside your main one. This makes it simple to compare times while browsing your schedule or creating new events. If you don't see the change right away, make sure you're still in Calendar View and try refreshing the page. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Selecting well-known cities ensures accurate time changes throughout the year, and you can revisit these settings anytime to adjust, rename, or remove a time zone. If your organization uses a slightly different Outlook layout, the labels may vary, but the options will be similar. And that's it. You've successfully added a time zone to your Outlook calendar.